Don't book your hotel in Budapest until you know exactly where to stay. This is a huge city, and for first-timers, it can be super confusing. Choosing the wrong neighborhood can ruin your entire trip. So we've done the research for you, finding the safest, most convenient areas and 10 amazing budget hotels perfect for sightseeing and local experiences. So, you've picked Budapest for your next trip. Fantastic choice. But now comes the biggest decision. Where to stay. The neighborhood you choose is the #1 factor for an amazing trip, but with so many options, it can feel overwhelming. That's where we come in. As the team behind Love Hard Travel Harder, our goal is to give you the confidence to book the perfect stay. We've analyzed hundreds of traveler reviews across Agoda, Booking.com, and Google to curate this list, so you only see hotels that are actually worth staying in. We're going to break down the best, safest, and most convenient areas for first-time travelers. Then we'll count down our top 10 best budget hotels in Budapest, Hungary, starting just from $40 a night. Make sure you watch till the end, because hotel #1 is in the absolute best area for first-time visitors. Let's get you ready for your Budapest adventure. But before our countdown, let's talk about the 3 best areas to stay in Budapest for a first-time visit. Knowing the vibe of each district is key to picking your perfect home base. First up is District 7, the Jewish Quarter. This is the undisputed heart of Budapest's creative energy and nightlife, making it perfect for solo travelers, foodies, and anyone seeking that vibrant electric atmosphere. It's famous for its iconic ruined bars, incredible street art, and endless food options, giving it a gritty chic vibe that feels both historic and modern. For budget travelers, the area is a goldmine, packed with affordable food courts and some of the city's best hostels and budget hotels. You're in the center of the action without the huge price tag. Next, we have District 5, the city center, also known as Belváros Lipatváros. This area is postcard-perfect Budapest and is ideal for first-time visitors and those on a short trip who want to soak in the sights. You'll find the magnificent Hungarian Parliament building, St. Stephen's Basilica, and the shoes on the Danube Memorial right here. The #1 benefit is walkability. You can get to almost every major landmark on foot. While it's the most central district, staying here actually saves you a ton of money and time on transportation, which is a huge win for any budget travel itinerary. Finally, let's cross the river to District 1, the Castle District. This area is for the romance seekers, couples, and travelers who want a quiet, historic atmosphere. It feels like stepping back in time, home to Buda Castle, Fisherman's Bastion, and Matthias Church. The cobblestone streets are peaceful in the evenings and offer the most breathtaking romantic views of the Pest skyline. It's a scenic retreat that's still well-connected, with excellent public transport that can get you to the bustling Pest side in under 20 minutes, giving you the best of both worlds. Now that you know the best areas, here are the top 10 budget hotels in Budapest, perfect for your first visit. Number 10. The Hive Party Hostel. Kicking off our countdown is the Hive Party Hostel, with an average price of just $40 to $80 a night, located right in the action in District 7, the Jewish Quarter. This spot is ideal for solo travelers looking to dive headfirst into the social scene. Its accessibility is fantastic, located just a short walk from major metro lines, making it easy to explore the city during the day. The main highlight is its reputation as a social hub, complete with its own rooftop bar and daily organized pub crawls. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers consistently praise the unbeatable social atmosphere and prime location for nightlife. Guests also frequently mention that the rooms and bathrooms are surprisingly clean for a party hostel, though they do warn it's very loud. So this isn't the place for a quiet night's sleep. As one of the best cheap hotels in the city, it's a smart budget choice because it combines accommodation with a built-in social life, saving you the effort of finding the party because you're already in it. Number 9. City Hotel Unio Superior. Coming in at number 9 is City Hotel Unio Superior, which typically costs between $70 and $110 per night. Situated on the edge of the vibrant Jewish Quarter in District 7, It offers a classic, reliable hotel experience, giving you easy access to the energy but a quiet room to return to. It's centrally located just off the Grand Boulevard with fantastic public transport links, and the airport shuttle service is a huge plus. The hotel even features double-glazed windows to ensure a peaceful night's rest. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers mention the spacious rooms, comfortable beds, and the professional, polite staff. Its location is consistently praised for being close to everything yet quiet. On the flip side, some guests note that the decor feels a bit dated, and breakfast can be an additional charge. This is a smart budget choice because it provides the comfort and reliability of a 3-star hotel with a prime location, making it a great value pick for your where to stay in Budapest guide. Number 8. Royal Park Boutique Hotel. Our number 8 pick is the Royal Park Boutique Hotel, with an average price of $75 to $120 per night. Located in District 7 near the Keleti train station, this hotel is perfect for travelers arriving or departing by train, or for those who plan to take day trips from Budapest. Accessibility is its superpower. It's directly across from the train station and a major metro stop, making travel around the city and to the airport incredibly simple. This boutique-style hotel offers a more contemporary feel than other budget options, and a fantastic feature is the soundproofed rooms, which is a blessing given its busy location. We analyzed dozens of traveler reviews, and guests rave about the convenience of the location for travel connections. The friendliness of the front desk staff is also mentioned in almost every other review. While the transit links are excellent, it is a bit of a longer walk, around 20 minutes, to the absolute center of the action. It's a smart budget choice because it delivers 4-star amenities for a 3-star price, providing excellent value for travelers who prioritize convenience and need great travel tips for getting around. Number 7. AnVa House. At number 7, we have AnVa House, a true budget gem priced between $60 and $95 per night, located in District 6, right on the border of the Jewish Quarter. This is for the traveler who wants a no-frills, practical, and incredibly central base. It's less of a hotel and more of a guest house, offering a simple, clean room right in the thick of it all. Its accessibility is rated a 9.1 out of 10 by guests, as it steps away from restaurants, the airport shuttle stop, and attractions like the Opera House. A unique highlight is that many rooms come with a small kitchenette, perfect for saving money on meals. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers mention the unbeatable location and fantastic value for the price. The friendly service is another huge pro, though some reviews note the rooms are quite small and the beds are on the firmer side. It's a smart budget choice because it provides one of the cheapest private room options in a very central part of the city. You're paying for location, and on that front, it truly over-delivers. Number 6. Flow Spaces. Coming in at number 6 is Flow Spaces, with an average price of $50 to $90 a night. Found in District 9 near the Great Market Hall, it's a modern, stylish hostel hotel hybrid perfect for digital nomads or travelers who appreciate great design in a slightly calmer area. The location is fantastic, just a few minutes walk from the Great Market Hall, the Danube River, and the airport shuttle stop. It's also close to a major metro hub. The common areas are a huge draw, with beautifully designed lounges and a quiet co-working area. We looked at reviews, and guests consistently praise the cleanliness, modern design, and friendly 24/7 staff. The location is loved for being central yet quiet. While it's more of a social hostel atmosphere, which might not be for everyone, and some rooms are narrow, it's an amazing deal. This is a top-tier affordable hotel choice because it offers a premium boutique hostel experience, perfect for those who want a social atmosphere without the intense party pressure. Alright, we're halfway through our countdown of Budapest's best budget hotels. If you're finding this guide helpful, take a quick second to hit that like button. It really helps our channel out. And don't forget to subscribe to Love Hard Travel Harder so you don't miss out on more guides just like this. Now let's jump into our top 5. Number 5. Exe Budapest Center. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Exe Budapest Center, which runs between $90 and $140 per night. Located in District 5, the city center, this hotel is a fantastic all-rounder. It delivers a comfortable, modern experience in a location that perfectly balances sightseeing convenience with access to lively neighborhoods. Accessibility is a huge win, as it's right next to 2 different metro stations and a short walk from the airport shuttle stop, making getting around Budapest an absolute breeze. It's known for spacious and exceptionally clean rooms, and it's just a few minutes on foot from both the National Museum and the Great Synagogue. We checked dozens of Agoda reviews, and travelers constantly praise the amazing location, the cleanliness, and the overall great value. A few guests find the breakfast a bit basic, and rooms facing the street can get some traffic noise. This hotel is a smart budget choice because it offers a high-quality, comfortable stay in a prime location without the massive price tag, saving you time and money on transit. This honest hotel review proves its worth. Number 4. Roombach Hotel Budapest Center. Our number 4 pick is the Roombach Hotel Budapest Center, a stylish boutique gem priced from $95 to $150 per night. If you want to be in the heart of the cool and creative Jewish quarter but with more comfort and polish, this is your spot. The accessibility is nearly perfect, earning a 9.7 out of 10 from guests. It's a 4-minute walk from the Deke Ferenc Tur transport hub, where 3 metro lines intersect. The hotel has a funky, colorful design, offers an excellent breakfast buffet, and even has bike rentals. We checked reviews on Booking.com and Agoda, and the location is almost universally described as perfect. Guests love the vibrant neighborhood and the super helpful staff. Just be aware that the standard rooms are on the smaller side, and street-facing rooms can get noisy, though courtyard rooms are quiet. It's a smart budget choice because it delivers a high-end boutique experience in one of the most desirable locations in the city, offering tremendous value for couples and style-conscious travelers. Number 3. Váralja Home. Breaking into our top 3 is Váralja Home, a true hidden gem in District 1, the Castle District, with an average price of $80 to $130 per night. This spot is perfect for those seeking a romantic or peaceful escape, allowing you to stay in the most beautiful and historic part of the city without the 5-star price tag. Tucked away right behind Buda Castle, it's less than a 10-minute walk to Fisherman's Bastion, and excellent bus and tram connections get you to the Pest side quickly. The experience feels less like a hotel and more like a cozy, welcoming home, and the area is incredibly quiet in the evenings. We checked recent traveler reviews, and guests raved about the extremely friendly staff, the spotlessly clean rooms, and the unbeatable value for this exclusive location. The main trade-off is you aren't in the middle of the nightlife, and the hilly terrain might be a challenge for some. This is a smart budget choice because it offers a rare opportunity to stay in a historic, romantic neighborhood for a fraction of the typical cost, providing a truly memorable Budapest hotel experience. Number 2. Maverick City Lodge. Our runner-up at number 2 is Maverick City Lodge, averaging $70 to $120 per night. Located in the heart of District 7, the Jewish quarter, this is the perfect compromise between a social hostel and a private hotel. It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, and friends who want comfort, style, and a social vibe. The location is phenomenal, just moments from the famous Doheny Street Synagogue, and within easy walking distance of countless ruined bars and attractions. It's known for hitting that sweet spot of value and comfort, offering stylish private rooms while still having great common areas and organized events. We checked dozens of Agoda and Booking.com reviews, and travelers absolutely rave about the unbeatable location, exceptional cleanliness, and the incredibly helpful staff. Many say it has the comfort of a boutique hotel for the price of a high-end hostel. Because it's so popular, it can book up far in advance, which is its main downside. It's a smart budget choice because it provides outstanding value and is one of the best cheap hotels in Budapest, hands down. Number 1. Hotel Central Basilica. And our number one pick for first-time travelers to Budapest is Hotel Central Basilica, with an average price of $100 to $160 per night. For the visitor whose main goal is sightseeing, there is simply no better location. Found in District 5, this hotel is the perfect base camp for exploring all of Budapest's most iconic landmarks with zero fuss. Its accessibility is unbeatable. It's just 164 feet from St. Stephen's Basilica, and you are a 10-minute walk from the Parliament, the Chain Bridge, and the Opera House. Housed in a beautiful 19th century building, it's a surprisingly quiet retreat. We analyzed hundreds of traveler reviews, and the number one comment by far is location, location, location. Guests constantly praise the ability to step outside and be in the middle of everything. The rooms aren't huge, and it's at the higher end of the budget scale, but this hotel is the definition of smart budget travel. The amount of time and money you save on transportation makes it an incredible value, maximizing your precious vacation time and making it our channel's number one pick for a Budapest hotel for first-timers. And there you have it. Those were the top 10 budget-friendly hotels in Budapest, all located in the best, safest, and most convenient areas for first-time travelers. Every hotel we featured has strong ratings and is backed by hundreds of real traveler reviews. We have no sponsored picks here. Our goal at Love Hard Travel Harder is to make your trip planning easier and more confident. To help you out, we've added the booking links in the description below where you can check the latest prices, see more photos, and read recent reviews for all of these hotels. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit. Tell us in the comments which area you'd love to stay in. Thanks for watching Love Hard Travel Harder. Subscribe for more smart, budget-friendly travel guides every week. Now go book that amazing Budapest trip.